Imagine this for a moment. You wake up inside a warm, cozy campervan. Morning sunlight slips softly through the blinds, and outside you hear quiet waves, fresh mountain air, or the peaceful silence of forest. As you stretch, you remember this isn't just any campervan. It's your own private hotel room on wheels, a space where you can shower comfortably, cook real meals, sleep peacefully, and drive with the smoothness of a luxury SUV. And today, we're exploring one of the most exciting new models for 2026, the effortless Globe Trail 600 DS, a campervan built for travelers who want comfort, practicality, and premium design all in one compact package. So if you've been dreaming of the perfect road trip van with a real usable bathroom, a modern interior, and a refined 8-speed automatic drive, then you're exactly where you need to be. From the moment you see the Globe Trail 600 DS, it gives off a clean, modern presence. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato platform, the exterior has been refined with subtle black accents, sleek LED lighting, and a bold yet tidy front grille. At just around 6 meters long, it stays extremely easy to maneuver, whether you're cruising across states or squeezing into tight parking spots. The higher ground clearance also gives you confidence on rough campsite paths or gravel roads. It's simple, practical, and upscale without trying too hard. Once you sit in the driver's seat, the first thing you notice is how comfortable it feels. The updated 8-speed automatic transmission completely transforms the driving experience. The steering is light, the visibility is excellent, and the engine paired with the 8-speed shifts smoothly, almost like a modern family SUV instead of a campervan. Long highway drives feel relaxed, and the stable ride gives you control even at higher cruising speeds. If you're planning long trips or weekend getaways, this smooth, effortless drive is one of the biggest reasons people fall in love with this model. Open the sliding door and step inside, and the entire atmosphere changes. You're welcomed by a warm, inviting interior, soft LED lighting, gentle with tones, and a layout that feels surprisingly open. Effortless has a talent for making small spaces feel big, and they've done it again here. The cabinetry looks premium, the walkway is wide enough to move comfortably, and the interior feels less like a commercial van and more like a compact modern apartment. And then comes a feature that sets this model apart, the bathroom. Most campervans this size force you to accept a tiny wet bath, but the Globe Trail 600 DS gives you a genuinely usable, comfortable shower system. It has a clever rotating wall that separates the toilet and shower, creating actual standing room. The waterproof walls, practical storage for toiletries, proper ventilation, built-in lighting, and hot water system make it feel like a real bathroom rather than a cramped corner. For anyone traveling off-grid or camping in remote areas, this full-size shower makes all the difference in comfort and convenience. Moving toward the lounge area, the design remains compact but well-planned. The two-person dinette pairs nicely with the rotating driver and passenger seats, giving you a full 4-seat dining or workspace. The table is adjustable, the windows bring in natural light during the day, and the overhead LED strips create a soft, cozy mood at night. Whether you're eating, editing photos, or simply relaxing with a warm drink, this lounge feels comfortable and practical. The kitchen is small but surprisingly functional. You get a 2-burner stove, a deep stainless steel sink, soft close drawers, a tall fridge positioned at a perfect height, and even an extension flap for extra counter space. Everything feels organized and efficient. You can cook real meals, store enough groceries for several days, and still keep the space clean and uncluttered. It's simple, practical, and well thought out, exactly what a travel kitchen should be. At the rear, you'll find the main sleeping area featuring a comfortable transverse bed designed for 2 adults. The mattress is supportive, the headboard is soft, and you get reading lights, USB charging ports, and windows on both sides for fresh air. Overhead cabinets run across the back, giving you plenty of storage for clothes and travel gear. The space feels cozy, private, and warm, like ending your day in a small hotel room rather than inside a van. At the end of the day, a campervan isn't just a vehicle. It's freedom. It's waking up in new places, exploring coastlines, forests, and quiet backroads, and taking the comforts of home wherever you go. And the Globe Trail 600 DS is built exactly for that, for travelers who want a mix of practicality, comfort, and everyday usability wrapped in one compact, beautiful package.